I'm so excited. Today it is a part 3 of a System.io step-by-step ultimate guide tutorial on how to actually promote affiliate programs. In today's video, you will learn how to set up a custom domain, how to buy a domain, how to buy a very cheap email service or a professional email connected to that domain, and how to connect everything to System.io. It sounds very technical, but it's really easy, and this will be a step-by-step tutorial, so stay tuned till the end. Don't miss anything, because your domain will not work properly. So let's get started. The preferred place where I buy my domains is called NameCheap. Step 1 is to go to honestmarketingtips.com/go/NameCheap or click the link in the description and you will be brought to the NameCheap domain search. I don't know what your niche is. We tried to find a niche in the previous videos. You can get that video above and then get back to here. If you didn't watch it now and come back. So basically I chose health and fitness niche, and I chose a product which is like a diet. And as I wanted to promote keto diet, I already bought a domain name, which you will see in the next step, called Keto Diet for You. But anyway, you search for a domain name here. For example, Keto Diet is good. Keto Diet is good. Search, and the NameCheap will show all the domains available. As you can see, some of them are available, some are no. If you find a domain that suits you, I suggest you first create an account because it will be easier. So go to account dashboard, you will get to the login screen, and here you can click sign up and you can very easily create an account. Creating an account is totally free. You just pay for the domain and what I will show you in the next step. So I already have an account and I already have a domain. Basically, when you create an account, you search for a domain and buy it. The price depends, it's from $9 a year to a few $100s. So find a cheap domain, because I know you're a beginner, but there is no way for you to have a successful affiliate marketing business without a professional domain. So you need to do this. So I already, like I said, I bought a domain. It's called Keto Diet, ketodietforyou.com, and now I will click manage. So when you buy a domain, you will get something like this, and now I will show you how to buy private email. First thing, there is a free trial for email, which is free for 2 months, and then in the lowest tier you pay like $15 a year, which is pretty cheap. The other option for emails, which is totally free, is called zoho.com. You can sign up here and create an account connected to your professional domain. It's totally free for one email. Another not free version is Google Workspace emails, which you can have a business starter, which is $6 a month. But I like to keep everything in one place, so I will go here and click start my free trial, and they will ask me what tier I want to have my emails. As you can see, free trials is free for 2 months, and then after 2 months it's $15 a year. This is one mailbox. This includes 3 mailboxes, whatever you want. As you are a beginner, I suggest you get the starter, and in the first step you probably purchased a domain. So I will click use a domain I own with NameCheap, and it will show me my domains, and I will select my domain. This is the one, is ketodietforyou.com. I will select. As you can see, 2 months subscription is free. Continue. You can confirm number of mailboxes. You just confirm 1 or more. If you put 2, there's a fee of $1.50 for 1 mailbox, but it's like 50% off in this step. So just for showing you, I will buy 2 mailboxes. It's very cheap. Add to cart, and now I will not add anything else, so I will just confirm the order, because I have to check out with PayPal in order to create a subscription. You will have to do this even if you didn't buy anything, and you now have a professional email bot. Keep this page open and it will be connected. So the next step we need to do is go to our system.io account. If you don't have one, if you didn't follow, check the previous videos. I have 2 videos. One is what is affiliate marketing, how to open everything up, how to find a profitable product you will promote on Clickbank, and how to build a landing page using system.io. So in previous videos we built a landing page. It's on the free domain that you get with system.io. There's nothing wrong with you promoting it like this, but if you want to look more professional, that's why we bought a domain. We now need to connect it, and also we cannot send email campaigns from system.io if we don't have a professional email. So that's the second reason. So let's click on add domain, and we will add our domain. It's I will copy it from here and put it here. So it's ketodietforyou.com, and press save. Okay, he says it needs to start with www. Okay, save. I understand why. And in a few seconds he will create system.io will create a domain, and you will get a very scary looking set of instructions. But I will guide you what to do. So in order to domain to work, we need to add some CNAME or DNS, domain name server records, to our NameCheap account. So go back to NameCheap and go back to, oh, I forgot something. Before we do that, we need to create a mailbox. I missed that step. Create mailbox now, and we will call this info and put some kind of a password. I will generate here, confirm, and save changes. Now we go back to dashboard, and on the dashboard we click on the manage our domain here. And in this place we need to click on advanced DNS. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. So what you have there, you need to add it here. So I will click on add new record, and I will select CNAME record. CNAME record. Now what is confusing, so for some people you need to just copy everything before the domain for this part. So I will just copy www like this here, see? And for the value I will copy the whole thing here, and I will just click save changes. And when the changes are saved, I will add a new record, also CNAME record. Again, copy everything before the dot, without the dot, and paste it here in the host, and copy everything here and paste it here in the target and press save. When you do this, you are done, and you can close this, and to get the status you just refresh this page. So at this moment the domain is pending validation. You can choose a fav icon, you can generate it online, like generate fav icon free. It's free. So it's just this image like this as you see on the system.io, but you don't have to do this. You can also generate reCAPTCHA credentials for your domain, which will prevent spam. I suggest you do that. You just go to reCAPTCHA about and create a new reCAPTCHA client and put it here. And if you want to use Facebook pixels, you can do that here, and you can choose a logo. And now we can go back to our funnel and click on a funnel. As you can see, we have domain onetips.system.io, but we want to use our professional one. So go here to the funnel settings, and you can when the validation is finished, you will have the domain here, and just save it, and your funnel will now live in that professional email. I hope this was not too technical for you. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me. There is a link to my Facebook group below, and in the Facebook group you can contact me via Messenger. I will glad to help with any technical issues you have, just to get you going. If you are new to here, all the links to the system.io and NameCheap, of course, is in the description. And of course, there will be a homework for this video, and the homework will be to show me your funnel on your newly professional emails. In the next video, I will show you how to connect to your email address and start sending and creating an email sequence, so you will then have a full circle of a funnel or a system that is totally automated and that will get people to sign up in your email list and send out the email sequence. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and if you missed anything, I will suggest you go to the first video here.